Hey guys, how are you doing? So we're going to be opening the box of the Flex. We're just going to open the box today, see what's in it. So let's see what we've got in here. And I've been waiting for this to come. And then we'll do a comparison. We'll do a trying it on the tree. And then we'll do a comparison with it and the Flex, see the differences. So we've got our nice little invoice, nothing like an invoice. And look at what you get. You get a nice AeroHunter hat. I think these were for the initial purchase of these. I'm not sure if they're going to be giving those out down the road. And you get a nice little bag that it comes in. And we'll open up the bag. And we've got a nice AeroHunter Flex. I'm going to rip this off. Just a little instructional. And you've got a AeroHunter sticker. Got a couple of those. So here's the Flex. So this is the back side of the Flex. And your AeroHunter logo. You've got your same MOLLE systems going across here. And you've got your climbing section here where you're going to clip on your rope to climb up. And you can see inside, they've got the glow-in-the-dark stitching in there. And it's red. Kind of gives you a positive hookup. That's on both sides. And then your MOLLE system right here. Looks very similar to the MOLLE system on the Kestrel. Going 2 rows of it. And then here's where the Flex gets its name. You've got a pleat in here. So when you're walking, this is probably closed. I haven't tried this on yet. And then when you sit, it flexes open all the way across, giving you that extra room in the unit. So let's flip it over and try the other side here. So you've got your Adf Buckles here, and both sides are adjustable. You've got your little release which holds your extra webbing off to the side, which is always nice to have. People have been saying these are noisy. I'm not too worried about that because when you put tension on them, they're not noisy. So I'm not worried about that. To release these, you push these 2 knobs close or towards the buckle itself and it releases. And when you push it back in, if you don't hold those buttons, you'll get a little noise when you're putting it back together. But if you go like this and you put it in there and let them go, you don't hear any noise there. So if you're, of course, if you're loose like this, yeah, you're going to hear noise. But when it's tight, you don't hear anything. You've got the same loops down here. Same buckles, Adf, same thing, push forward and hook them in. You've got the elastic down here to hold the excess webbing, which is very nice. So these are adjustable up and down, both sides. The thing I like about the Kestrel, and the same as on this one, these legs don't really matter. So if you detach these, and they're hanging there, it doesn't matter which one you grab, they are both interchangeable with both sides. And on my unit, I went with the webbing for my bridge. The web is sewn in on this side, as you can see right here. And on this side, it is adjustable. So this part is sewn in to your bridge, but it has an adjustable buckle here, so you can adjust your bridge length, which is really nice. I was talking to a couple guys on the forum, and they said go ahead and try that webbing out. They really like it, so we'll give that a try. On my Kestrel, I have the rope bridge, which is nice, but we're going to try this webbing, see how it slides through a carabiner. The material on the inside, I'm going to detach these real quick. So people were talking about maybe these won't breathe as much. It does feel like a almost like a rubbery substance, vinyl. I'm in Wisconsin, so I'm really not too worried about that. In September, it's probably starting to get cold already. And then you can see how it will flex right there. You don't really see a lot of movement in here, but this whole section opens up, which my guess is that section is probably about 3 inches, it looks like. 3 to 4 inches. So when we try this on, it's going to be very interesting to see how it feels. If you actually get that flex, actually makes it a little bit more comfortable. I can tell you though, my Kestrel is really comfortable. So guys, that is the Kestrel really quick. Just a quick review of that, just the unboxing, and then we're going to try it on. We're going to climb up the tree and see how that flex part works. My beautiful wife will videotape and see if my butt actually opens up that flex thing. So thank you guys for tuning in, and stay tuned. The next one will be us trying this out, and then we'll do a comparison against the Kestrel just to see the differences. Bye-bye guys. Hit the subscribe button before you go.